Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of AI tools designed to elevate your business finances. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just diving into the world of finance, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover the latest AI tools and learn how they can revolutionize the way you manage your finances and grow your business. Number 1. NanoNets. NanoNets Flow is a cutting-edge platform that leverages AI to simplify finance tasks. This tool is designed to assist finance professionals by automating intricate processes, allowing them to concentrate on crucial decision-making and business expansion. NanoNets Flow has a remarkable capability to extract crucial information from various types of documents, including invoices, receipts, and bank statements. It utilizes cutting-edge technology to precisely collect and arrange financial data, resulting in time savings and minimizing errors caused by manual input. NanoNets Flow offers a comprehensive solution that goes beyond mere data extraction from documents. It also streamlines processes, handles workflows, and seamlessly integrates with current financial systems and accounting software. This comprehensive solution is designed to assist finance professionals in optimizing their workflow, enhancing productivity, and attaining superior financial outcomes. Number 2. Vic.ai. Vic.ai is a cutting-edge invoice processing tool that utilizes powerful AI technology to achieve exceptional accuracy rates. Its advanced machine learning algorithms ensure top-notch performance. Our system utilizes advanced algorithms that have been trained on a vast amount of invoice data. This enables us to automate nearly all aspects of the billing process, eliminating the need for templates or custom rules. Once an invoice is uploaded, Vic.ai is able to extract all the necessary information from the invoices, identify any duplicates, and streamline the approval process. It ensures that your team stays on track by clearly indicating which employee is responsible for reviewing each step of the invoice approval process. Number 3. Planful Predict. Planful Predict is a tool within FP&A software designed for top-level CFOs and CEOs. This technology enables quicker and more precise decision-making by eliminating the need for time-consuming calculations and reporting. Predict leverages the power of data integration, FP&A tools, AI, and machine learning to provide highly accurate performance insights and actionable suggestions for driving business growth. DataRail's FP&A Genius offer dashboards and visualizations to complement the AI-generated answers, while Planful Predict hones in on the areas of weakness in a company's financials. Planful Predict is included on Planful's platform and requires a yearly contract. Pricing information is not available on their website, but they do offer customized quotes. Number 4. Vena Insights. Vena Insights is designed to assist teams in leveraging data to make well-informed decisions across various areas, such as budgeting, forecasting, workforce planning, incentive compensation management, tax provisioning, and more. It utilizes top-notch AI and machine learning technology, which users appreciate because they can access everything they need without having to switch between tools or export data to different applications. Vena simplifies the process of creating personalized dashboards, enabling users to customize their data and visualize it according to their preferences. Users can take advantage of Vena Insights' powerful calculation engine. The Data Analysis Expressions, or DAX formula language, offers a flexible way to create calculated functionalities, allowing you to uncover new insights within your data model. Users can gain a deeper understanding and make better decisions by having access to the necessary data to enhance their forecast accuracy, identify unusual patterns, and make predictions that can be easily scaled. Number 5. Stamply. Stamply is a tool powered by AI that aims to simplify the accounts payable process, allowing your finance team to work with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Stamply seamlessly integrates with popular ERP systems like QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Sage Intacct. This guarantees a smooth and cohesive solution for all your invoicing requirements. Stamply utilizes AI technology to effortlessly extract and organize data from your digital invoices, streamlining processes and minimizing the risk of human error. The platform enables users to communicate directly on invoices, enhancing collaboration and transparency within teams. Stamply allows you to easily track and manage every step of the invoicing process, giving you real-time visibility and control over your financial operations. Stamply's advanced technology can analyze your patterns and vendor behaviors, offering valuable insights to enhance your invoice management. Stamply is designed to cater to the needs of finance teams of all sizes, providing them with an intelligent and efficient solution for invoice management. Stamply offers advanced features and AI capabilities that can simplify your accounts payable process and enhance your financial control. Number 6. Gridlex. Gridlex is a unified collection of tools that includes the Gridlex Sky. Sky is a software application that was developed by Gridlex to simplify the process of accounting, expenses, and enterprise resource planning, or ERP. Utilize Gridlex Sky to manage all your accounting, expense management, and ERP functions with the help of artificial intelligence-driven insights and automation that can be customized. Sky is able to manage a variety of tasks, including payroll, billing, invoicing, and general ledger management. Both Gridlex Ray, an HR software, and Gridlex Zip, a customer relationship management or CRM and customer service help desk tool, are made available to users of Gridlex Sky. By utilizing automated calculations for profitability, revenue, and expenses, you can eliminate the need for manual labor and reduce the likelihood of errors caused by human intervention. By utilizing the expense management feature, you can easily organize and store receipts as well as expense claims through a user-friendly interface. Reduce the amount of time spent on administrative tasks by automating the approval and reimbursement of expenses. Number 7. Domo. Domo assists finance teams in the creation of unified dashboards that incorporate real-time data integration and draw from a variety of sources. Automation of insights is accomplished through the utilization of business intelligence, or BI, and analytics, in addition to low-code and pro-code applications. Domo is able to assist businesses in comprehending how changes in data can have an effect on the overall outcomes in day-to-day operations by providing them with insights generated by artificial intelligence, such as informative dashboards and reports. Through the use of standards-based development tools and an entire app store filled with pre-built options, Domo makes it possible for you to leverage your analytics data of record. Workflows, data collection, user stories, and DDX bricks are all things that can be easily included from them. More than 150 different chart types, more than 7,000 different custom map options, drag and drop ad hoc analysis and content creation, easily deployable dashboards, and shareable custom calculations are some of the features that Domo offers. Domo is available for use in mobile applications that are widely used on both iOS and Android. It makes it simple for business users to create user-defined stories that can be customized and shared with other users. In addition to that, it is simple for the end user to filter and slice or dice the data. With smart text that allows users to link filter concepts across a dashboard, its drill path setup that does not require any coding can be easily defined and redefined by end users for as long as their needs change. Number 8. Bookie.ai. Bookie is able to automate bookkeeping for the finance team. It corrects transactions that are not categorized and errors in the coding, enable improved communication with customers, and automate a greater portion of your operations. In addition to automating the bookkeeping process that occurs at the end of each month, Bookie also utilizes cutting-edge error detection technology to identify and correct any mistakes that may have been made in your bookkeeping. A monthly subscription to the Data Entry Automation Hub costs $20, while an annual subscription costs $18 per month. On a monthly plan, the Robotic AI Bookkeeper plan costs $50 per user per month, while on an annual plan, the price drops to $45 per user per month. Number 9. DataRails FP&A Genius. DataRails has been a pioneer in the field of automating manual work and enabling finance professionals to concentrate on the strategic aspect of their work. The automation capabilities of data rails were taken to the next level with the launch of FP&A Genius, a chatbot designed in the style of ChatGPT for professionals working in the finance industry. It is common knowledge among finance professionals that management enjoys asking what-if and scenario questions. FP&A Genius makes it possible to provide accurate answers to these questions in a much shorter amount of time than was previously possible. In contrast to ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence programs, the data that is generated by the chatbot that is provided by data rails is safe and derived from reliable and protected sources. There are dashboards and visuals that are provided by FP&A Genius as part of the responses. When it comes to presenting the answers to management, this is of great assistance because the visuals are easy to understand and do not require the creation of PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening exploration of AI tools for business finance. Remember to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert insights and game-changing strategies.